Welcome back to Lulaskaya, friends. We're so happy you're joining us again. Today, we have a book that's going to teach you a little about nature. It's a Disney Nature African Cats story.
Disney Nature African Cats, A Lion's Pride. Adapted by Kathy Hapka. Photographed by Keith Scully, Natasha Breed, Owen Newman, Margaret Smith Van Owen, and Oliver Scully. Another morning dawns on the vast African plains. A pride of lions is ready for the day. This group lives on a savannah, a grassy plain with few trees. They are near a river where the lions often meet other animals. There are 6 lionesses and 1 male lion called Fang in the pride. There are several cubs, too. Life is not always easy. The pride must work together to find food and water in order to survive. The cubs are still young enough to live on their mother's milk, but the adult lioness must hunt if they want to eat. Lions hunt other animals on the plains. When the dry season comes, these creatures travel to find enough food and water. The lions must stay on their own land near the river. Some food becomes difficult to find, so the pride searches together. Lions often walk for 2 hours at a time. Mara, one of the youngest cubs in the pride, must work hard to keep up with the others. The cub's mother, Layla, has spent many years on the plains. She watches out for danger and protects her cubs. The other cubs in the pride are older and larger than Mara. They play together, wrestle, and leaping. Their games teach them skills they will use later when hunting and fighting. The savannah is an enormous place filled with many different creatures. Mara often sees lots of other animals, such as elephants. Wildebeest are among the animals on the plains. They travel in huge herds that may number in the thousands. These horned creatures can live for more than 20 years. Zebras also travel in herds. Each zebra's black and white stripes are unique and unlike any others. Gazelles are smaller than both zebras and wildebeest. They are also much faster. They can run up to 50 miles per hour. Gazelles can also jump very high, although not as high as the height of a full-grown giraffe. Giraffes are world's tallest mammals. They range in height from 13 feet to 19 feet. One giraffe eats hundreds of pounds of leaves each week. Giraffes must travel great distance in order to find enough food. The plains are hot and dry as Mara's pride searches for their prey. When they reach a water source, everyone usually stops to drink. It might be a long time before the lions have another chance. When the pride finds food, it is shared among all the lions. Sometimes other animals are hungry too. Large crocodiles or hyenas may attack. Then Fang must protect the pride's meal. One day, Mara will learn to help her pride hunt. For now, The little lion cub is tired after a long day on the plains. Tomorrow, there will be more new things to see. The end.
Now, we're going to share a little lion facts with you. Only male lions have manes. Females do most of the hunting for the pride. Lions often hunt at night. Lions spend 16 to 20 hours per day resting. Lions can go up to 4 or 5 days without water. A lion can't roar until it's around 2 years old. Wow, that's an interesting fact. A lion's roar can be heard from up to 5 miles away. When a lion walks, its heels don't touch the ground. Lions can run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, but only for short distances. At birth, the average weight of a lion cub is 2 to 4 pounds. Oh, he's tiny. A full-grown male lion can weigh between 330 and 550 pounds. Well, that was some interesting stuff that I'd never heard before. We hope you enjoyed this book, and we hope you've subscribed. And if you haven't, go ahead and press the subscribe button right on the screen. We'll see you again soon.